Everything's broken. So yeah, I'm making coffee right now. We having a blizzard right now. Right now it's more of a wind gust than snow. We don't have like that much snow yet, but there's supposed to be like 1 to 3 feet of snow or some shit. And the wind gusts are the worst because they tend to demolish my fucking farm and all the buildings and all that stuff. But that's why I'm glad that I'm like started rehoming the animals, because the ones that I was mainly worried about were like the horse, the donkey, and the goat, because I wasn't sure that their shelter would be able to like withstand um, a bad windstorm, because it was already falling apart. And the windstorms out here tend to like knock down trees and all kinds of shit. Like I had 3 trees knocked down in February, and 2 of them landed on the pasture fence, and one in my pond, which is still there. We haven't like cut it up and removed it yet, but like maybe next spring. But yeah, we're having a little bit of a blizzard. But I had to move my goose because like I was like, he'll be fine. Like the cage will be like all like a little mangled up, but he usually stays in his igloo. But then I like looked outside and I seen the shit lift and tumble, and I was like, fuck, I'm gonna have to go out there and get him. And my goose does not like it when you like get too close to him, so I had to bring out like a bed sheet, and I like put the bed draped the bed sheet over him, and I was able to grab him that way, because you don't want to get bit by a goose. They have tiny little razor sharp teeth, and I've never gotten bit by them. But once I like with most aggressive animals, just like covering them, like covering their eyes and stuff, they tend to calm down. So I was able to move them into like the turkey coop, because I like rehomed my turkeys. I think it was like last week. Um, so I had the turkey coop that was vacant, and obviously we had to like close the entrance to the outside because that cage was demolished also. So we just put like some like barriers, like cage stuff, very heavy ones, to like keep him in there. So now he's all safe, and I get like my pigs are good. I got 5 out of 6 cats in my tool shed, where they got litter, food, and water. There's one cat that didn't come out. I guess she's like seeking shelter wherever she's at, and I would have preferred her to like go where there's like food and water and a cat box. But I hope she'll be all right. If I do happen to see her, I'll bring her in there. But yeah, all the animals are good. Weather's kind of shit. My kid's supposed to be coming over in a couple hours, so gotta be really careful on the roads and stuff. And that is all. Yeah, Christmas this weekend. Yay!